Dr. Besta, I am Anele Potelo. I would like to present my King Initiative College ecological model for health and well-being. I'll begin to say the mental health can be defined as the state of the person's psychological, emotional, physical, and social being. It determines how spiritually we feel, we think, and how we act emotional in ways that enhances our ability to enjoy life and deal with the challenges that we are faced with generally as well as specifically in life. It also encompasses the ecological analysis. Ecological analysis is a process embedded in people's experience, emotional, and the general feeling exerted by different life situations. It is emotional and general feelings that will give us an indication of how do they get affected as individuals from their place of homes to their place of work and general in work life. The ecological context implies an embedded college culture, the political, the economic, social, technological, and the legal environment impacting and influencing the college well-being. We know that the college does not live in isolation. That's why the issues of the climate, how things are done in a particular community in terms of the customs and the traditions, will definitely have a direct impact and effect on how the college does its own thing. Same applies to the political environment. When there are changes in terms of the laws, when there are priorities needed by the current government in terms of the past laws, and then we are bound to implement those particular past laws. For example, the past laws that have been implemented currently are one that talks about the gender-based violence, as well as also the issue of the health and the mental health. Also socially, how people are affected by the social ills. There's a lot that is taking place currently in our society. Disrespect. People have lost sense of humor. People have lost the spirit of Ubuntu. These have made many families to become broken, and some of the families are child-headed. So you can't expect, therefore, a state of mind of a person who must become a child at the same time become a parent. So all these particular issues affect personally all of us. You be it you're an employee, be it you're a lecturer, be it you're a student at a particular college, but all of us were affected by such challenges. So there are aligned constitutional obligations and the college frameworks that deals with the mental health and the well-being. First of all, the Constitution of South Africa, Act 106 of 1996, Section 9. Point number three, it prohibits the discrimination against anyone in one or more the grounds, including the race, the issue of the gender, the issue of pregnancy, the issue of marital status, the ethnicity, the social origin, the color, the sexual orientation, the age, the disability, the religion, the consciousness, the belief, the culture, the language, and the birth. Because some of the emotional blackmails and the bullyings that are taking place that create unnecessary tensions in the places of work and generally in where we live. At times, they are perpetuated by people not understanding that discrimination as well as racism still exist amongst ourselves and they affect us negatively. The TVET colleges are administered in terms of their continuing education and the training act number 16 of 2006, which was amended. Part of the public sector education and training outcomes, they're saying we must promote access, provisioning of quality education and the training in the peasant environment with a conducive environment. Also, the white paper on the rights of the people with disabilities, current government is putting a lot of effort in trying that people with disability they must be given free access and they must be given equal opportunities. The Mental Health Care Act 17 of 2002, which also say providing psychosocial services for mentally affected people. The strategic policy framework on disability for the post-schooling education and training system, which guides the improvement of access to and the success in the TVET sector for people with disability. This cut across, be it you're a student, be it you're a lecturer, be it you're an ordinary staff member, or you are a parent. There should be easy access and you should also get equal opportunities. The framework for student support services to guide the TVET colleges in integrating the student support services. There are many extramural activities that students are embarking on. There are many sport activities that students are engaged on. There are also other counseling support that are provided by what we call the career guidance officers in creating a good and a mental state for students to able to reach their full potential. Also, we have at King Inza, the TVET College, the Employee Health and the Wellness Policy, which was established to foster a healthy workforce that results in more productive workforce, less absenteeism on staff, lower accidents, free-spirited people, ability to thrive, greater overall savings by reducing the incidence of disease and the disabilities. Within our college vision, we have aligned our college vision to say our college vision is an innovative institution that is committed in advancing academic excellence through employee well-being. Meaning, for us to succeed, we know that we depend on the employee being. Employee being, it encompasses everyone who's taking part of the activities of the college. Our mission also is that we're relative colleges that is offering quality education and training by creating a healthy and well-being teaching and learning environment. Our college values are based on the spirit of Ubuntu, the service excellence, professionalism, the integrity, the sustainability, the partnership. Our college keep mental health and well-being priorities. One, our college have mobile clinic. Our college have a part-time doctor and a resident nurse who are servicing our college, both the students as well as the lecturers, as well as all the ordinary people that are coming to the college. We have higher health services by Mrs. Heisen. Our college have employed an occupational health and safety officer, Mr. Matsagem. Our college have also employed currently the wellness officer, Ms. Kutu. We have dedicated career guidance officers and student services officers across our campuses that deals with a career guidance, that deals with student counseling, that also empowers the students through extramural activities. Our college is also dedicated in ensuring that there is psychosocial, financial, gender-based violence advocacy and awareness programs. A King and Certificate College has also key pathways in implementing employee well-being in a vocational education and training. One, our college is there is a committed college. One of the key pathways in implanting employee well-being in their vocational education is that we have committed college management. We have aligned our college vision to the well-being. We have also stakeholders involvement and participation on the well-being of all the staff of the college. We have psychosocial, physical, and emotional support services, moral regeneration programs, promote healthy living lifestyle. Also, we have an applicable college ecological model to advance mental health and well-being from within the college and beyond. Because our main focus is not only to heal those who are within the college, but they are also affected with issues that are taking place outside. We have looked at the individual factors, we have looked at the interpersonal factors, we have looked at the college vocational education factors, we have looked at the college policies, the society, and the organization and its own. On individual, we have said for us to advance mental health and well-being, we must promote self-esteem, self-respect. We must promote transparency. In interpersonal community of practice, we must learn from the elderly people. There must be behavioral modeling on the people that are trusted in the society. We have role models. So those people, they need to enact a life that must be lived by the future generation that is still going to come. And we have said that there must be collaboration between the campus management team, the lecturers, the parents, as well as the students in building a society. It takes a village to build a child. College vocational education, we've said let us create a conducive teaching environment. A conducive teaching environment will be an environment where everybody is going to thrive and able to reach his or her full potential, free of defects. People free of diseases, people are free of gender-based violence, free of criticism, free of racism, free of all these social ills that were embedded in the society. But the college must implement the policies that have been promulgated, especially that deals with the well-being. Be it it's an Occupational Health and Safety Act, be it is going to be a wellness employment a policy, be it is it's going to all the gender-based violence frameworks that are there to ensure that everybody thrives. Also, the society must establish a community where there is establishment of trust, the respect, and the unity amongst us. And organizational, we must ensure we have enough funding and resource all the wellness programs.